Today I will show you how to make a DIY solar filter for your 8-inch Dobsonian telescope. It can actually be for any telescope, any size, but you will have to make some modifications. So this is the cap that comes with your standard 8-inch Dobsonian, and it's, this cap here is removable, and if you look at it, if I can get camera to focus, you'll see a number that says 575, and this is actually the diameter of this inner portion of the cap, which means it's 57.5 millimeters. And I can show you that with the caliper. As well. You will also need to buy this piece of solar filter that I got from Amazon, and I'm gonna have the link in the description below. And lastly, you will have to 3D print a piece of plastic that is gonna hold your filter and is gonna snap onto this hole here. So the filter will go in here and you're gonna wedge it in. The print has the clips that snap into place. Like so. The top portion of the filter will go here, so the silver side of the filter goes here. And then we just snap it on top. For this particular size, you can see that the filter will have to be about 61 millimeters on its side. You're gonna carefully cut the filter so it fits perfectly, and then you will snap in this other portion into place. Just like that. And all you have to do now is put it on top of this one. And we're done. If you don't trust the snapping mechanism, you can always use some glue or tape to secure it in place. And this fit here is pretty snug. But you can also tape it in place there. And of course, when you put this cap onto the telescope itself, you can also add some tape to protect your eyes in case this comes off. And this is what it looks like on the telescope itself. And now let's check out what it actually looks like through the telescope.